Hello everyone. This is now happening in the Fox and Fireflies Resort until tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Until tomorrow, you can come and join the Yoga Fest. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Check it out. Hi, how are you, Jess? This is Jess, a teacher.
No, a
Hi.
facilitator. I
A
don't want to be called the
facilitator.
teacher.
Sorry. Expert na lang.
Ano?
I'm,
Facilitator
I'm
lang.
kidding, I'm kidding. Here, facilitate here. Say hi.
Hi,
Invite
welcome
people to
to
come.
Bohol Yoga Festival. We have a lot of activities for today until tomorrow, and it will be culminating with a good, what's that? An Earth Day celebration.
Earth Day. Oh, wow.
Yes, along the Bohol
Along the river?
Yes, we're going to plant seedlings.
Wow, okay, nice. That's good. Sige, Jessie, you saw na Renny? Yeah. Have you seen Renny?
No,
Ah,
I've been waiting for.
kanina pa siya.
I thought you were together.
Yeah, we were. I was, nauna na siya mga 10-15 minutes ago. Baka she's walking around. Good morning. Hi. Wow, okay. Good morning. What are you selling?
Sorry?
What are you selling?
Nuts and berries.
Nuts and berries. Wow. I assume,
Yeah. Great food find Bohol.
wow, that's so cool.
That's the name of
That's the place. Sige, I'll see you for 2 days naman. Okay, so, see? Very nice. Unique items here. Everyone is preparing because it is D-Day. That's the coffee shop. The coffee shop was on the second floor. Yeah, I'll walk you through the property. This is a very nice resort. Very nice resort. And it's a holistic resort. So they're very holistic here, meaning if you check in, expect healthy foods, vegetarian foods. Morning. Okay, expect a healthy type of living. There you can see already practitioners. Last year, I was one of the teachers here. Anyway, I won't talk loud because I will bother them. They're all trying to enjoy a very serene moment. So, huwag natin silang guluhin.
In Yoga Makanda, which the Acharya says, you have to follow Sirsasana, which is Sarvangasana, which is the queen of the asanas, which is the shoulder stand.
This is their permaculture garden. Everything here is
Lie down
edible.
flat and get your feet straight up first, and then slowly lift your hips and move your feet towards beyond the top of your head. So it's almost like doing a halasana or a plow, but that's not what we're doing. We simply want to optimize where we can put our palms behind our back.
Okay,
put
so I
your
hope to see you here.
palms as high up